Are Philadelphia SEPTA stations wheelchair accessible? Imagine exploring the city and knowing that getting around comfortably is within reach. That's what Philadelphia's public transportation system aims to provide for everyone. Let's talk about how accessible SEPTA stations are for wheelchair users and travelers with mobility challenges. Most of the SEPTA stations serving trains, subways, trolleys, and buses are now wheelchair accessible. Over 60% of these stations have features like elevators, ramps, and accessible platforms. That means more than 100 stations across the 5-county area are equipped to help you move easily. All SEPTA buses are fully accessible too. They have low floors, front door ramps, and designated spaces for wheelchairs, scooters, or strollers. Each vehicle can hold up to 2 wheelchairs or mobility devices, with flip-up seats for added comfort. Philadelphia's transit system is actively working to improve accessibility. SEPTA has committed to investing over $1 billion over the next 12 years. The goal is to make nearly all stations accessible by the year 2034. This means that 99% of metro trips and over 95% of all SEPTA trips will be through accessible stations. Recent upgrades include elevators at major stations like 40th Street, 15th Street, and Arrot Transit Center on the Market-Frankford line. The Broad Street Line's Tasker-Morris station also received accessibility improvements. Work is ongoing at Susquehanna-Dauphin Station and 30th Street Station, with design plans for 11th Street Station. For regional rail, SEPTA is investing more than $150 million to modernize stations. This will increase accessible regional rail stations by 40%, with recent upgrades at Levittown, Powlee, and Conshohocken stations. Accessible stations are easy to spot. They have a wheelchair symbol next to the station name on maps and schedules. You can check real-time elevator status online or call SEPTA's 24-hour hotline at 877-737-8248. The SEPTA website also shows which elevators are temporarily out of service. Stations with accessibility features include elevators connecting all public areas, accessible restrooms, and priority seating. Ticket machines have braille, raised lettering, and audio options for travelers with vision impairments. Signage with braille and raised letters indicates elevator status. At some stations, bridge plates are available to help you board regional rail cars smoothly. Staff members, operators, and station personnel receive ADA training to assist travelers with disabilities. SEPTA's Accessible Travel Center, located at Suburban Station, offers services by appointment. They can help with travel assistance and provide training programs. Planning your trip is simple with tools like Google Maps. You can select Wheelchair Accessible to see routes that include accessible stations and vehicles. The SEPTA app also provides real-time elevator updates at stations. When boarding, wheelchair users can face forward or backward on vehicles. Ramps and lifts are available for those who stand or need assistance. The first car on the Market-Frankford line, Broad Street line, and regional rail is usually best for easy access. Operators are happy to provide bridge plates and secure wheelchairs during your ride. While Philadelphia's SEPTA system has made great strides, the city continues to work toward full accessibility. The plan is to ensure that by 2034, nearly everyone can travel comfortably and independently. This ongoing effort shows Philadelphia's dedication to making public transportation open and welcoming for all residents and visitors.